Salmonella Dublin is host adapted, most often found in cows, but as a matter of fact it causes enteric disease in you and me and your mum. More likely to die with Dublin than with typhimurium. Infected cows and calves can spread the disease via milk and meat and poop and touch and their wheeze. The other reason that we look at Dublin with caution is it causes quite a lot of UK bovine abortions. Oh, Salmonella is quite important, let me tell you. Could bring you to your knees, so stay away from unpasteurised cheese. Got 15 samples from the APHA, examined isolate growth so that one day we could use them to infect bovine repro cells called bovine curricular epithelial cells, which really don't grow all that well. The cells are from the placentome, which you can see here in monochrome. Infected them to see how well Dublin survives in this particular cell line, and surprise, surprise, there was absolutely no statistical difference, so a year plus work without any significance. It's hard to be indifferent. Oh, Salmonella Dublin is genuinely interesting, and you can trust me on this, cause I've been studying this pathogen for almost 4 whole years. Computational work has the benefit of showing that the isolates are representative of a wider population from various sources, so humans, food and dogs and sheep, as well as abortions. We looked at virulence and AMR and found something really cool and a bit bizarre. Human isolates lack a virulence gene, the first significant result of my PhD. Oh, Salmonella is quite important, let me tell you. Went to do my paper away, left the lab and finished writing to come back to it another day. Now the part where the song gets sad, just as I was due to get back in the lab to evaluate the host response when COVID hit, and pandemic PhDs are particularly shocking. So we look towards my future work. Provided my cells stop being jerks, I might finally see how BCECs respond to infection with this Dublin, and maybe beyond. We can use whole blood and monocytes to look at dissemination, and we just might be able to answer some of my original questions and submit my PhD with minimal corrections. Salmonella Dublin is absolutely fascinating, and you can trust me on this, cause I've been haunted by this pathogen for almost 4 whole years. And some might say a song is not professional, but my argument to that is that a song is more accessible, and I know people switch off when I talk about cows, but you might remember stuff about Salmonella Dublin now.